All right, so in this video, we're just going to go through on how to create that nifty image. We're talking about getting a whiteboard, a blank whiteboard, and using that. And what we're going to do is, so I'm going to show you how to set it up here using nifty images. So you want to go up here on the top, do create image. You want to do a personalized image. And what you can do is drag in your image right to here, and that way there, once this is uploaded, it'll put it into its studio. So perfect right here. So what we want to do is create a text. So what we want to do is we can actually use, we'll start with this. So you put the person's name right up in the top. There it is. All right. A font option. We can drop the font on this so the messaging will fit. Put that in there. All right. 28. So what we want to do now is that we have the dynamic element in there. We want to type a message in there. So what we can do is add a text. Let's move that default text down to here. And I'm going to throw that in there. So what we want to do is adjust this so it fits right here in the white space. All right, we'll start with something like that. It's going to adjust here because what we want to kind of do is kind of give this like a handwriting look, right? So what we can do is go into, oops, I don't know why it was moving for. We go over here into font and we have like a handwriting like that. They have a couple different ones here. They have Yellowtail that does it that way. There we can increase the font size. Let's do something like that, and then do the same thing. Font options, we want to follow the same font. What size was it? 34. So now we have that nifty image all set. So we want to save it, and we can do I think this is at least 3 that was in there. So we'll go with that. So this is what we're going to name it and submit. You're not going to have to do anything here. And what you can do is we can see it right here on our dashboard. And now to see it over in a event, won't move me out of the way. There we go. All we have to do here is click refresh images. There it is right there. So now we're able to use that in the multimedia imaging, messaging, mail, email, and all that kind of stuff. You can look for other videos that we have made pertaining on how to use that as well. So that is how you curate your image in Nifty Images, and how you're able to view it over in a event so you can use it. If you like the video, please hit thumbs. Please subscribe too, so you are alerted every time we come out with a new video pertaining to something with a event, and it's going to be something that is going to help you with your webinars for sure. So thank you again for watching. Any questions, you can reach out to us in support, messages, help. You know, we're there for you, so use it. And we'll see you in the next video.